Welcome back, my friends, and happy Thursday. This is Lindsay coming back at you with more work from home job leads. Now, I know a lot of my subscribers are subscribed to me because of my past healthcare videos. So I have with you today the big healthcare insurance company, Cigna. They have 1,000+ job openings that are all work from home. I have picked out 3 to share specifically, but I'm also going to show you how to navigate their main page. We'll get into all that, but real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on, and if you're ever interested in applying for anything I share, the links to everything are in the YouTube description box below. So I have this main careers with Cigna page linked in the description box below. It should already, when you click the link, filter to work at home. But if it does not, just simply type work at home in the search bar and click search, and all of the jobs that Cigna has a location that is remote work from home posted to the job, it will flow into this search results. Right now, as the time that I am filming this, they have 1,144 jobs available. They have everything from regular claim representatives, customer service, supervisor positions, director positions. There is something for everyone. Now, a lot of your lower positions like customer service, claim reps, all that, they're not going to require any kind of a college degree. Director positions might, and Cigna does pay very, very well. You can scroll through here and just look at everything. When you open up a job description, you can view the different locations. One of the locations should say remote United States. But like I said, I have 3 positions to specifically share today. The first one is a claims representative work at home. Now, says United States work at home right here. That's what you're looking for if you're searching for different things on that main page. But of course, a claims representative reviews insurance claim submissions to confirm the required documents have been received. You verify any medical codes and on the claim. You make sure that the patients have the correct eligibility. Make sure they don't have any other insurance that should have been billed first. You follow established policies and procedures for pay or to pin the claims for additional information or straight out deny them. You'll follow processes and work independently to meet your performance goals. And you'll also maintain a high level of accuracy when you are processing the claims. So doctors' offices and hospitals are billing claims for patients to Cigna for patients who have Cigna insurance, and you are looking at the claims and following the processes and deciding if you need to request additional information, if you're deciding to pay the claim or deny the claim. So you are basically a claims processor. Now, for this position, they do not require a college degree. They are looking for someone who has strong attention to detail, who can be a problem solver, and can have high level of accuracy when processing claims. Someone who knows computers and can navigate computers well. You can use Microsoft Suite, including Word, Excel, Outlook, OneNote, PowerPoint. You have knowledge of the medical insurance industry. You have great organizational skills, great verbal and written communication skills, and you can work in a fast-paced environment. Now, if that is you, this position pays anywhere from $17 to $23 an hour, and of course, pay is always dependent on location and experience. If you like working in customer service, then they are also hiring a customer service advocate to work from home. So a customer service advocate will help clients, customers, and healthcare providers, so those doctors and hospitals that are billing claims, understand the business a little better. You'll have to talk to them and help them with topics like determination of payments, claims related, and medical and dental procedures, office, hospital visit costs, different common questions that they'll have. You need to be able to make it easy for customers to work with Cigna. You take ownership of their issues and really go above and beyond. You are the advocate for health and wellness. Now, they prefer a bachelor degree, but they do not require one. Only a high school diploma or GED is required. 1 year of customer service experience analyzing and solving customer problems. Someone, again, who can use Microsoft Office Suite. Someone who has knowledge of medical terminology is a plus, but not required for this position. You do have to have great written and oral communication skills. This position says that they give you benefits such as your health insurance effective on day one. So you do not have a gap period that you have with a lot of companies. They offer 401k and paid time off, all the basic benefit packages, and this position pays anywhere from $17 to $21 an hour. All right, and I also wanted to share a upper supervisor management type position. If you have already been working in the healthcare field, maybe it's time for you to get a promotion. If you have experience, maybe it's time for you to get a better paying job, and they are hiring an eligibility supervisor to work from home. So as a supervisor, you'll provide leadership, including mentoring, problem solving, and increasing productivity and coaching of the staff that you are over. You'll correspond with management and employee HR issues. You'll ensure the success of maintaining strong working relationships, and you'll analyze reporting data and trends with the team to make sure they are working efficiently and productivity. You'll provide feedback to your team, and you'll assist them in handling any escalated issues of prior authorization, benefits, and eligibility. If they can't solve the issue, they will bring it to you as their supervisor and you will help them solve the issue. You'll conduct one-on-one monthly meetings with the staff, coach them, all the things a normal supervisor does. You'll also be involved in the hiring and interview process for people that would work under you. Now, for this position, they prefer 2 years of supervisor experience and a bachelor degree in specialty pharmacy experience, but all that is listed under preferred and not required. This position does pay very well, though. It pays anywhere from $48,000 a year all the way up to $81,000 a year. Of course, that's going to be dependent on location and experience, and they say that right there. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.